Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about theorem number 17 from the geometry of circles. Here the theorem says that for two secant lines intersecting at an external point P, PA times PB is equal to PC times PD. And what are those distances? The PA and the PB or PC and the PD? Well, you can see them in the diagram. Let's suppose we have a circle and we have two secant lines there. One of them is named as L sub 1 and the other one is named as L sub 2. And these two secant lines intersect each other at an external point P, and in such cases the product of PA and PB will be equal to the product of PC and PD. That's what we have to prove in this theorem. So let's get started with the proof. Can we convert this equation into a proportion, meaning equality of two ratios? Now let's see what happens if we convert this equation into a proportion. Can we write this equation like this? Can we say PA over PC is equal to PD over PB? And from here I am thinking if we can somehow come up with two triangles and we can prove them similar triangles, then we can do the ratios of their sides like this. So that means PA and PD, they have to be the two sides of a triangle, and similarly PC and PB, they have to be the two sides of another triangle. Now how can we create such triangles where PA and PD will be two sides? Well, if we simply connect A with D, then we'll have a triangle PAD, and there you can clearly see that PA and PD, they could be the two sides of the triangle. So let's go ahead and connect A with D. And now think about another triangle where PC and PB will be the two sides. So if we have to draw a triangle where PC and PB will be the two sides, then we can simply connect C with B. Then we will have a triangle PCB, and that triangle will give us the two sides PC and PB. So let's connect B with C. Now we are going to look at the two triangles, triangle PAD and triangle PCB. Here is the triangle PAD, the red color triangle, and here is the triangle PCB, the pink color triangle. So we have the red color triangle and the pink color triangle. If we can somehow prove them similar triangles, then our problem is solved. So let's see if we can prove them similar. Now if you look at these two angles, the angle ADC and the angle CBA, they will be equal. Why? Because they are the inscribed angles for the arc AC, and we know that for an arc, all inscribed angles in the other segment, they are all equal angles. So here we can say then angle ABC and angle ADC, they will be equal, and I have denoted that with alpha. And then between those two triangles, we also have a common angle, which is the angle APC. So angle APC is a common angle between the two triangles. And then we have the other two angles which are equal. That means the third angle, which is PAD and angle PCB, they will also be equal, because we know the sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. So if we have two equal angles and a common angle, that means the third angle will also be equal between the two triangles. That means we can say that these two triangles are actually similar triangles. Alright, if these triangles are similar triangles, then what can we say? Well, from the theory of similar triangles, we know that the ratio of the corresponding sides will be equal. So we can say that the ratio of PA and PC, that will be equal to the ratio of PD and PB, and that will also be equal to the ratio of AD and BC. Now let's focus on the first proportion there. PA over PC is equal to PD over PB. And if we take that portion and we do a cross multiplication there, we are going to get PA times PB is equal to PC times PD, and that's exactly what we needed to prove. So we have been able to prove the theorem. Now let's take an example and see how we can solve problems from this theorem. Let's suppose we have an example like this where PA has been given as 20 cm, AB is 30 cm, PC is 25 cm, and we have to find out what is the length of CD. And the solution is going to be very easy because we already have the theorem in front of us. PA times PB is equal to PC times PD, and here let's just plug in the values. Now what is PA? Well, PA has been provided as 20 cm. And what is PB? Well, PB will be a little tricky. We have to treat PB as PA plus AB. So then we can say that 20 times 20 plus 30, because PA has been provided as 20 cm and AB has been provided as 30 cm. So PA times PB will be 20 times 20 plus 30. And similarly, what is PC? Well, PC has been provided as 25 cm. So then PC times PD will be 25 times 25 plus CD. because PD is actually PC plus CD. And from here, let's try to solve for the value of CD. So if we simplify this, on the left hand side we have 20 times 50, that is 1000. And on the right hand side we are going to have 25 times 25, that will be 625, plus 25 times CD. And from here, if we solve for CD, then we can say CD will be equal to 1000 minus 625 divided by 25, and that will be equal to 15. And the unit here is centimeter, so you have to say 15 centimeter. And that is the length of CD that we are supposed to calculate for this example. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.